let me show you a fast and easy way to turn any of your YouTube videos into short clips. And if you stick around till the end, I want to share with you a system that works great for business owners and content creators that's going to allow you to film, edit, and short clip 10 times faster. Now, the tool we'll be using is called Riverside. And if you're like me and you don't like paying for tools without actually having a chance to try them, I totally get it. And I actually got Riverside to hook you guys up. Because they are sponsoring this video, you can actually get a 30-day free trial with unlimited usage of their video clipping feature. So you can actually follow along and start clipping a whole ton of videos without actually having to fully commit to paying for the software. You just have to go through the affiliate link in the description of this video and use coupon code Colin to get the free trial. And the way this works is once you're in Riverside, all you gotta do is just upload your finished YouTube video into Riverside. And once it's uploaded, you're just gonna click on the video, and then under this Made for You tab, you're just gonna scroll down and it's gonna automatically create clips from your long form video. And here are a few it gave me. I'm just gonna click play on one briefly just so you can get an idea of how it kind of clips content here. Number 8 is that the first 15 to 30 seconds of your video will make or break your video. Because what happens is when someone clicks on your video, you already made a promise to them in the thumbnail and title about there being value in this video, and they're immediately judging in those first few seconds, will this person deliver value? You know, so you really have to make sure that your hook and your opening intro does that. That means not having a branded intro. That means not saying, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So there you go. You can see it did a really good job clipping out that segment from this, how long of a video? 29-minute video. It found that nice little segment. That would be a perfectly great short. But you can also generate more of these and really customize them. So if you go up to the Create tab here, you can click Magic Clips, which is what Riverside calls their short clipping tool. And you can actually tell it all this information. So under Edit here, obviously 9:16, I want full screen, duration is auto. You can actually customize your brand. So if you have brand colors or certain captions you'd like to use, you can actually customize those in the editor. I have it removing silences, removing filler words, muting other participants, which is just my video, so there's no one else on this video. And then also magic audio, where it'll automatically enhance the audio to make it sound better. So all that is selected. And then down here, I can actually set the duration. So it can be auto, or I can have it under 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds. Also a minute to minute and 30 seconds, and a minute and 30 seconds to 3 minutes, because actually now YouTube and TikTok support 3-minute short clips. So if you want to do some longer clips, you can totally generate those. But I like to do some under 30 seconds. I like the 30 to 60 seconds, and I like the minute to 1.5 minutes. So you just gotta select one of those, select which speaker, and you can even type in keywords if there's certain parts you want the shorts to target. Maybe it's a certain part where you talk on a certain topic and you want a lot of clips of that. You can add that keyword in there and then just click generate clips. And also on any of these, you can click the edit button here to edit it further. And just so you know, this isn't the finished thumbnail that's gonna actually show for your video. It's just what Riverside has there. But if I click edit here, it's gonna take me right into Riverside's editor, which mind you, is a full-fledged editor. You can edit complete YouTube videos in here. And just to show you what's built into here, if I want to edit this video, it's literally just editing a text document here. So I see my whole script here. So maybe I don't want the number rate is that. I can literally just select this and click the delete key on my keyboard, and it edits it right out of my video. So now it starts at the first 15 seconds, which works better in a short, and people don't need to hear the number 8 is that, like, you know, that's from the long form video. Or maybe at this ending point, I kind of talk for too long. I can easily select some of this ending part, and I can click the delete key, and that's going to cut that from my video. But I actually want that. So I'm going to click the back button here and reverse that action. Now on the right side, we're going to have all of our AI tools. So it already went through and automatically removed silences and filler words and turned on the magic audio where it was needed. This is that brand section where you can really customize different captions you like, titles, logos, different things like that. There are motion graphics that you can add. You've got text effects. You can go through here and look through all these different caption styles that you can add. So you want to go something like this or something like that. You can easily just switch the caption style and customize it. There's stock footage and stock images that you can add to really enhance your video, as well as audio if you want to add different music and things like that. And once you're finished, you can easily export this out and send this off to any platform. Now, this obviously works great for existing videos. And again, I highly encourage you to just try this out on the free trial, put a few of your videos through it and see how it works for you. But there's actually actually a better system to be able to not only create clips, but just for handling your whole video process, because Riverside is not just a clipping tool. It is really meant to be the one-stop shop for filming your videos, editing them, and sending them out to all the social media platforms. So in Riverside, you actually have a built-in recorder. So if I hop into here, I can actually have my camera hooked up right here inside of Riverside. I can adjust my microphone and easily join the studio here and literally be able to record directly into Riverside. I can even invite guests into my studio and they'll actually record natively from their computer and their audio and just upload it directly to Riverside. So there's no lag, there's no glitches or anything like that. And once you're done recording, it automatically gets added to Riverside's editor and automatically starts creating clips from your video. So then I can just hop back to the home screen here and I'll be able to edit my entire long form video here inside Riverside because it is a full-fledged editor. And just like with editing the shorts, I can literally edit just using the transcript here. So I can see now the first thing I wish I knew when I started YouTube is the beginning. So I can select all the text before that, click the delete key, and now my video is going to start right where I actually begin my video. I can head over to AI tools and actually remove all the pauses, remove filler words. I can enhance my audio all in just a few clicks. You're gonna have the same access to different text effects and stock footage and audio and be able to fully edit an entire YouTube video in here. And of course, you're gonna have all your magic clips off to the side here, which we can easily click over to and start editing those. And on top of that, you're gonna have Co-Creator, which is basically an AI assistant built into Riverside. And it can actually help you create thumbnails. If you click this pencil icon down here, you can actually see all the different things. Like it can help you enhance visuals, improve sound, do it all, add B-roll to your videos. You can even use it to create social media images, titles, descriptions, shows notes, a newsletter, different posts for X or LinkedIn, etc. So for example, if I do this LinkedIn post here, create a LinkedIn post for me, it's going to go through all the information in my video and create a LinkedIn post based off of that. And so here's what it created. You don't need to niche down to one topic to grow. Here it says, the truth is YouTube recommends videos based on what people actually watch and enjoy. It's not about strict niches, but about understanding your audience and their interests. So if you're feeling pressure to be specialized right now out of the gate, relax, experiment, learn, adjust. Growth isn't about fitting into a box. It's about serving what your viewers want to watch. You know, and maybe I want to make some adjustments to this, but now I have the majority of my posts written. I can go in, make some tweaks, make it more personalized to me, and I've got some more content that can just go out from my video. And so when you just have one tool that's handling your recording, your editing, your exporting out, you're not having to jump between all these different apps in order to create content. You can just go one spot, have everything there taken care of. But of course, try it out for yourself. Make sure it actually works for you and what you're doing and that the workflow works. The free trial link is going to be in the description and pinned in the comment section, along with the coupon code Colin that you'll need to claim the free trial. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.